Good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing well. In this video I'll show you how you can have your Android phones and your iPhones connected to Android Auto or the Apple CarPlay and have them connected even when you have your GoldWing 2018 Plus turned off from the engine turn off switch. So what I'm going to show you here, in the past everyone has said that if your GoldWing is turned off from the engine search, you need to have the headset connected first and then the Apple CarPlay or the Android Auto to make it work again. But what happens at times is if you are stopped at a gas station, let's say, for about 5 to 10 minutes, or there is a way to keep your headsets as well as your Android Auto or your Apple CarPlay working without having them disconnected. And I figured that out recently and thought to show you guys how it works. So what I'm going to show you here right now is, like, let's say you come at a stop at a gas station. Okay, you need to fill up gas, but you know that you might need to connect the Apple CarPlay or your Android Auto again, so you have to disconnect the phone and reconnect it again. But in this case, the motorcycle is running right now, and let's say you come at a stop at a gas station. So what you'll do is you'll press the stop engine button to turn it off. This is what typically you do, okay, if you're filling up a gas. The next thing you would do is probably turn the ignition towards left to turn it off, but in this case you won't. So what you will do is you turn it towards right, which takes it into the accessory mode. Now while it's in the accessory mode, your Android Auto or your Apple CarPlay is connected there, your headset's connected, you can fill up the gas, the engine's off, that's not wasting the battery. And then what happens is, once you fill up the gas and you're ready to go, all you need to do is twist it again towards right to the accessory mode. The ignition turns on, and then all you have to do is press the engine start button and the motorcycle is started and running again. So this way your system is not like I showed you, your system is not disconnected this way, and you have you're able to work around the same thing without having it disconnected. I hope this video helps you. This was new to me. I figured out recently on my 800 kilometers plus day trip that this is an easy way without having to disconnect my phone every time I stop to fill up gas, and it was very convenient as well. I didn't have to disconnect my phone, just switch it on the accessory mode and fill up the gas, then switch again, like twist again the accessory mode, and the ignition turns on, and all I need to do is press the engine, start the motorcycle, and I'm on my way. Thank you so much again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.